Wingman here. Not too shabby. What is this thing? That's kind of the question that I have received more than pretty much any other of my YouTube shorts since I started doing the shorts. This is a Heritage Rough Rider 22 long rifle revolver with a really ridiculous body kit on it. As you may recall in my full video of it, the body kit from this is done by Wingman, or it goes by Kevin Wynn, but it is designed as a slip-on and then secured with a screw up here at the front that screws into the barrel. There's an existing screw hole there. Body kit for a revolver to make it look kind of futuristic. I don't do a lot of gaming, but apparently this thing really looks like the Wingman. That's probably the comment that I've seen about 300 times on the video for this is, hey man, you just made the Wingman. And I'm like, cool. I don't know what that is. But anyways, here we are out at the range doing a quick firing test to sort of go over the functions of it. Normally, you'll notice this has sort of like a compensator looking thing on the front. I never properly attached that because I wasn't quite sure if I was going to be in love with this design. You're supposed to actually like attach slide the compensator on and then sort of CA glue it in place to the front of the frame, and that holds it in place. But to prevent it from popping off while firing, I've just taken it off and actually almost kind of like the snubby look version of it now. A couple of questions that came up a hell of a lot on this video. How do you load the damn thing? It's a Colt single action army replica, like a rimfire one. The cylinder doesn't swing out like a normal revolver. How you unload it is through the loading port. I already unloaded one of the rounds, but put it on half cock. Flip that little door open and line things up. Eject your spent shell. Eject, 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 and eject. How do you reload it? The opposite. You put new rounds in, and then you're good to go. But you don't want me to talk about this anymore. You want to see me shoot this some more. So let's shoot it some more. Spicy.